So number two says 9.303 times 10 to the minus 1. So again, we want to rewrite this number in decimal notation. Right now, this number is in scientific notation. So that's scientific notation. It's being written times 10 to a power. So we want to change it to decimal notation. So what are we going to do?
Would you go back on the decimal?
Exactly. Hey, let's change the problem. I want to make it more interesting. Let's make that power -4. How about that? So yeah, so the decimal is going to go for decimal or regular notation. We're just going to move the decimal. Yeah, the -4 means left 4 spaces. Exactly. The negative, move the decimal, left 4 spaces. And the other one, we moved the decimal right. It was the last problem. It was +9 here. So I moved the decimal right 9 spaces. Yeah, if the power on the 10 is positive, you move to the right. If the power on the 10 is negative, you move to the left. So -4, I'm going to go left 4 places. So here we go. 1, and I'm to the edge of the number. 2, 3, 4. Those bring in zeros. There it is. So it's going to be 0.309303. That's the decimal notation version of the number. Here we go. Questions on that? Does that make sense? So the -4 means go left 4 places. The first jump gets me past the number, gets me to the edge, and the other 3 jumps go beyond the edge, so they bring in zeros. Hey, could I put in a 0 in the front there?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, huh? It's optional. It doesn't change anything. You can take it or leave it. It doesn't matter. These zeros here matter, though. Why? Even though they're just 0, they matter because they push the 9303 to certain places. So that's why they matter. They change the place of other numbers. But the 0 in the front, that doesn't do anything. So it's optional, yes or no, either way you want it. So there we go. All right, so there's number 2.